Chanel comparison. Chanel wallet on chain versus Chanel mini. Which one would you want? Pros, cons, all that. Okay, let's get into it real quick. Okay, the wallet on chain. It's a little thinner, but it's a little longer. It's a little less depth. The Chanel wallet on chain is a little thinner, so it's a little less depth, so you can fit not as much, but it's a little longer, and it's got a bunch more compartments. So versatility-wise, winner. Okay, so it's got a main pocket, big compartment. It's got all these card slots, so you can just put your cards in there. You don't have to put your wallet in there. It will save a lot of real estate space if you take them out and put them in there instead of having your actual wallet go in there, because it is wallet on chain, right? It's got a flat pocket, a zip pocket, a flat pocket, and then this little hidden zip pocket that goes all the way down, and then there's Mona Lisa pocket in the back. This one is great for hiding stuff, thin stuff. It's got to be thin. All these pockets can only fit so much because once you start filling them up, they do expand. You don't want to put something with too much depth in any of these because it will just kind of bow out when you fill it up. So you want to put all your bigger things in here, put your cards in there, papers, receipts, parking tickets, things like that, whatever, parking stubs, money, cash, put back here. And, but it can fit quite a lot and it's quite spacious. This is a little thicker, so it does fit a little bit more, but it's a little thinner, it's a little thicker. So it does fit a little bit thicker, so it does fit a little bit more in here, but it only's got one flat pocket. So I would put your cards in here too if you can, because the wallet still, again, will take up a lot of real estate in here, but it's a little more roomier, and it can bow a little bit more, and the lining inside is a little nicer because it's leather, so you want to be a little protective of it, whereas this is cloth, which is kind of a little bit weird for Chanel. I don't know why they do it cloth lining when they should do leather lining when you're paying the price points that you're paying, but that's okay. And then this back pocket's a little smaller. This is a turn lock closure. This has a snap button closure. They're both really secure. You can wear them the other way to hide as well if you want to hide the CC, or this is a little more loud, obviously because of the color, but if this was in black, this protrudes out a little bit more, so it does hang a little bit out from your body. This hangs out a little more out from your body than this one. This one kind of lays flat to your body, which is nice. A little more inconspicuous, a little more subtle. This you can wear a bunch of different ways. It's very versatile, day into night. You can hide the strap and wear it as a clutch. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, crossbody bag, top handle bag, change the chain length as much as you want, tuck it in, blah, blah, blah. This you can as well for this design. The other minis are a little bit harder. You can do most of those things, but either way, if you want to do a clutch, you'll see this. If you're trying to, you'll see the chain still being tucked in. But this one does have this to change length at any point. So this is actually really great for that too. So that in terms of versatility, they both kind of do that function. But the normal Chanel minis do not have that, so you have to adjust it the same way. You'll see the chain going in. Price point, $33.50 plus tax, I think, and this is like $49 plus tax now. This is a lot cheaper, but you're not getting a lot more for the price on this, to be honest. But you are getting, this has got that classic flap look and feel. It looks like a mini classic flap, right? So it feels a little more elegant, sophisticated, luxurious. It just, the look goes, you know, for that. This feels a little more simple, plain, classic. I mean, like, it's just a little more minimal, and you know, the CC is so small, whereas the CC is a lot bigger on that one. And also, I mean, this feels like this feels a little more basic, for lack of a better word. I guess it's like basic, yeah, like a little more basic, common. I don't know, a lot easier to get. There are a bunch of these at the store. They always have these, maybe not in this exact combo, but like this is the classic. They might not have this. They'll have some colors and variations. It comes out every season, different colors and different variations. Leathers and stuff like that. Minis are really hard to get. They never have them in the store. They sell before they even hit the floor, I think, especially the blacks and the classics. And they only make the black classic in lambskin now. They don't even think they make it in caviar, so you can't really get this caviar. But the seasonal ones are available in the minis too, but they always have some sort of difference. They're not the classic black, classic strap, classic look like a classic flap. So if you want the classic one, that's very, very hard to get. They're both on the resale market too, but they both go for over retail, I feel like. So they're a good investment. I think that these are more common, so maybe this is a better investment, but then this is more pricey. And these hold their value. They both, I mean, caviar, I've used them both for a year now, show no wear. There's no wear anywhere. Whereas my lambskin ones get wear right away. Yeah, no corner wear. They've kept their pretty good shape. No Chanel issues that people have been having. They're both from 2023, so there's no Chanel issues that other people have been having. Yeah, that's about it. I don't know. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below and other things.